dams unrolled, the 3/3" pumps generator stopped working, so they're out of play, and now we've got a 6" and we're moving it from one tube to the other tube until each tube here equals out inside the AquaDam. So we had to change this side, which had the 6" pump going. The other side had three 3" pumps going, but they didn't work because the generator didn't work. So now we took the discharge hose of the 6" that was going in this one and put it in that one, and pretty soon we'll be caught up. And it'll look just beautiful. Six-inch hose. The 3/3" hoses that aren't working. The pump's putting air into the AquaDam, and so we're burping it. We're going to burp all that air out. The air was put inside by the 6" pump. So it's sucking air somewhere, but it's pumping water. So a lot of pumps do this. You simply have to walk the air out. That works good on a open-ended AquaDam. That way, all easy to put hoses in there, or multiple hoses, and easy for the air to escape. So the water won't go around. There's the inside tube. It's pleated up, so we have to massage it to get the water to get through to past this point, and then the water, once it starts going, will go and fill up the inside tube, which is what isn't full. And it seems to be plugged up right here, but I think that walking on it just did it because the side's moving over. So we have to massage that point right there to get the water to go around, because the inside tube's all bunched up. Well, that's what happens. It's that's just how it goes. But it'll take care of itself. Water pressure will take care of it. We just had to make sure the water was getting by, so the water can fill up this tube all the way to the end. And then that pressure will expand all the way back here. So this will open up better. But water pressure is what it's going to take. The sides were folded in, so it's just unfolding itself. And it will unfold itself all the way to the end, and it'll unfold itself here, push on this smaller dam, and fill up. Now it's going around. The water pressure inside will take care of all the creases once it builds up enough to do that. But water's got to go around, and it was pinched off. Now if we could have kept the pumps going, probably would have solved itself. But then you even got more water to deal with if it doesn't solve itself. So we had to work on it and just move around on top of it, and the water found its way down the tube. Everything moves slowly because it's filling up. And there you go, it's a 6" pump. It's pumping out a lot of water. Now the far end is full of water. We just gotta fill up this right here. And then it's gonna do something. It's gonna push this 4-footer out, or it's gonna push this tube that way. But we'll know here in a minute. Now you can see the water here pouring off. It's from this pool of water here. As the inside comes up, it's going to force all the water that's on top off. Now it stopped running off, but it's going to the end down there. Oh, there it goes. It was tied off. That rope was keeping the AquaDam snug up here while we installed it. Now we let the rope go, and that allowed the AquaDam to move downstream a little bit and fill out. It's 20 feet wide when full.
That was fun.
Here's the end. We rolled it up on 2 6x6s. Had to cut them off here to do what we did here today. But for making and manufacturing the dams, the 4x6s, 6x6s were much longer. We normally would put a round log in here. It's got to be longer than the width of the AquaDam. The dewatering is going very well. It's already come down over a foot, but it's time to go to the airport. So this will be my last pictures of the boat ramp in Cordova, Alaska, on the Eyak River.